Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a sprite sheet. A sprite sheet is essentially a collection of many smaller images, or sprites, organized into one single, larger image file. This method is incredibly useful for game development and web design, as it helps optimize performance by reducing the number of individual image requests. Instead of loading dozens of separate files, your application loads just one, making everything run much smoother and faster. It's a smart way to manage your visual assets. Careful planning is crucial before you start creating. First, you need to decide on the precise width and height for every single sprite you intend to include. This consistency is vital for easy extraction later. Next, consider how many animation frames each character or object will require. Finally, think about padding, leaving a small, uniform gap, perhaps 2 or 3 pixels, between each sprite prevents visual artifacts when they are rendered in your project. A well-organized layout saves a lot of time. Now comes the creative part, designing your actual sprites. You can use various graphic design programs, from pixel art-specific tools like Sprite to more general software like Adobe Photoshop. The key is to maintain a unified art style and color scheme throughout all your sprites to ensure visual cohesion. Each sprite should fit perfectly within the dimensions you planned earlier. Remember to export your individual sprites with a transparent background, typically as a PNG file, so they blend seamlessly into your game or application. The final step is to assemble all your carefully crafted sprites into one complete sheet. Open a new, large canvas in your chosen image editor. Systematically place each individual sprite onto this canvas, making sure to maintain the consistent spacing you planned earlier. Using a grid overlay can be incredibly helpful for precise alignment and organization. Once all sprites are perfectly arranged, save your final sprite sheet. A PNG file is usually the best choice, as it supports transparency and maintains image quality, ready for use in your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.